Okay, so we have Calçada das Verdades, which I believe is sidewalk of truth. Side truth. Wow. Okay, so we're going to be capturing that street right there. To just give you the location of where we are. But that's where we're going to be going, right up that way. We're on Rua de Pedro de Lasca da Silva, which is this way right here, towards the Portuguese Embassy Consulate. Then this one right here is Santo Domingos, which is a Portuguese bookstore down that way. And we're going to walk directly up here, a little bit loud, and we're going to capture it up that way. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here we are. We walk back a little ways. So we're going to be walking up this hill. There's a really nice temple up that way. And then down here is, we kind of go right into this main street right here. The lights are just coming on as well. It's kind of a nice time of the evening. So let's turn this way, and then we're gonna just go slowly up. Nice angle of the street right there. Okay, about 5:30. It's on a weekday today. First things we're gonna notice is these beautiful buildings, and I don't know the whole story about these, but there's they do a great job of painting them, for sure. We're gonna keep on walking up there, but you can see there's 4 of them. So you got like 2 of them are kind of a light pastel green, and then 2 are kind of a pastel pink or peach. We're gonna keep on walking up these, but you also have these little travessa of the same name as well. But we're gonna walk up this way. And if you keep on walking all the way up this way, you'll eventually get up to the Monte Fort. It's another Verdades. So we had a Rua this time. So we're on a Calçada, like a sidewalk, and then we just saw the street of truth. We saw the lane of truth, and now we have a little beco of truth. So we have several different Verdades. So each of these kind of unique houses has kind of that theme. We keep on walking up. So yeah, it's funny, Calçada is sidewalk, but then we have the street, which is actually like a little bit of a lane. We'll keep on walking up. Not too long ago we filmed St. Philomena, which would be this particular street. It goes down into the Sao Paulo ruins area. Okay, let's just try to capture this a little bit. Keep on going up. Now we have these beautiful temple coming up this way. We'll walk by that, and this is a nice, it's a really beautiful view in here. The one problem though is cars are coming through and it's kind of a tight fit. Okay, so we'll keep on walking up. You can kind of see the temple a little bit. Some nice little lanes. And we have the temple right here. Let's walk in slightly. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking up. Usually I have the setting on a different setting. It's nighttime, so I have it where I can kind of capture more of the light. But I kind of regret I didn't have it on this other setting. Okay. I have it on the setting that makes it a little bit more narrow, but it's better at nighttime. Here's another Verdades. This is a patio. I believe we're still on our street. Verdades. Calçada de Verdades. I'm going to put this on this other setting. I just want to see how it looks later. This is the setting that I wish I would have had it on at the beginning, especially when I was down there. But we're still on our street right here. And actually this goes up. I kind of wanted it on this one because what'll happen in a minute is we'll have this kind of canyon effect. So this actually goes all the way up to Fortress, which is way up that way. Yeah, and it actually has kind of like this vastness of the fort and also the apartments. Okay. So we're still on our street. And now we're all the way up here to the fortress. You can see the cannons up there. So this would have protected the city historically, particularly when the Dutch came in. Okay. Okay, so now we're basically up in this Fortaleza Montfort. And you can see the cannons up there, see the view. You can also see other people. I can see all the forts all the way up, all the cannons that line the fort go all the way up. So we're just going to go just a tiny bit further. And the sunset is directly straight ahead. The lights just came on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go a little bit further, and we're going to look over the Calçada das Verdades. We got some light show stuff up here. Really nice. So we are going to try to overlook and you can see a little bit of Sierra Street in a second, I hope. We're going to go directly to this cannon down here, so I think that'll have a more open space. So kind of cool. Let's see if we can see our target street or not. So our target street would have been down there behind that tree. We kind of basically went up the hill. Can't quite see where we are. The trees are a little bit thick in that spot, and we did kind of walk in that other way. But anyways, kind of a cool space. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.